Hi Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and another standing abs workout. You will need a dumbbell for this one. I'm going to be using a 3 kilogram dumbbell. You can use a heavier one or a lighter one depending on what your body can handle. Just continue marching in spot with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart and the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. I know plenty of you don't like going down on the mat to get those abs toned, so this is just perfect for you. Just make sure you are hydrated and energized for this workout. Next, we are going to be moving into 45 seconds of oblique jacks, beginning right now. Just get into position and we shall begin right now. Pull those abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. Very good move, especially for those obliques. If you like it more challenging, you can even do it faster. Going, you're doing amazing. Don't give up, don't give in. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to relax it out, stretch it out, catch your breath. We are going to be moving into a lunge and a reach, focusing on 10 per side. Just give me one more, and you want to get down. Pick your dumbbell abs towards the spine. So you want to begin by lunging and reach. Lunge and reach. Lunge, reach. Lunge and reach. Give me one more. Lunge and reach. And the other side, hold tight onto your dumbbell. So you want to lunge and reach, lunge, reach. Give me 2 more. Lunge and reach. 1 more. Lunge and reach. And you want to bring your dumbbell down. Relax it out. We are going to move into standing rotation marches. So we are going to do 45 seconds of this. Just bring your arms to the back of your head and you will begin just about now. Abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, raising your knee, trying to reach the other arm to as close as you can get. Very good exercise right there to tone those abs while you are standing. Come on, you're doing amazing. Just keep going. Yeah. Don't give up, don't give in, keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Relax it out. We are going to be grabbing that dumbbell just again, moving into a squat with an arm press. Just catch your breath, relax it out. You will be squatting to as low as you can, and just give me 12 of those. So grab your dumbbell, get into position, abs towards the spine. So you want to squat, press and back, squat, press and back, squat, press and back, squat, going. Just give me 2 more. Squat, press, and back. 1 more. Squat, press, and get back up. Well done. Bring back that dumbbell down. Next, you are going to give me some knees, which is very good cardio as well and great for those abs as well. You want to reach your leg back, reach out your arms, and you will begin with 2, 3, giving me 12 of these per leg. One more, and the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. More, 1 more, and relax it out. Well done, guys. Next, we shall do that final stretching, beginning with the side stretch. So you want to reach out your legs, try to bend the other direction, reaching out your arm, trying to reach to as far as you can. We are holding this for 30 seconds per side, feeling that stretch in your abs. Very good stretch for elongating your torso as well. Pull those abs towards the spine, and you will continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back up. And the other side, try to bend over, reaching out the other arm, and we are holding it right there. 30 seconds, guys. Just continue holding while breathing out. If you like, you can do some wrist rotations while at it, and just keep holding right there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back up. Next, we shall stretch out the chest and the back. So, giving me 1 and 2, pulling in those abs towards the spine, and 3, just give me 8 of these, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, just 1 more, and 8. So next we want to do that wall stretch. I hope you have a wall that you can do this. Just get onto the wall and get down to sitting, pulling your abs towards the spine. We are going to be holding this for 20 seconds as well. If you have no wall, you can still try to imitate sitting down in air. Just squat down and reach out your hand, and just keep on pulling those abs towards the spine, feeling that stretch in your legs as well. And you will keep holding this right there. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up, bring yourself back up, and you want to reach to the ceiling, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Then reach out your hands backwards, and we shall be holding this for another 30 seconds as well. Keep going, keep breathing, feeling that stretch in your hands, in your chest, holding it right there. Keep going. Keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to come down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. It's coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you've made it this far with me. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you are feeling feeling great. Let me know how you are feeling in the comment section below. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Let them come over here and we become workout buddies. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.